Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's video I'll show you how to fix screen flickering on your INFINIX 60. First, adjust the brightness in the settings. Open Settings, scroll down to Display and Brightness, and make sure Adaptive Brightness and High Brightness mode are turned off. Simply adjust the brightness to your liking. If that didn't help, go to the Play Store and download an app called Screen Dimmer OLED Saver. Search for it and download the app. Grant the first permission to modify system settings so it can change brightness. Grant the second permission so it can update overlay when rotating your screen or using a keyboard. Grant the last permission for notification so it can show the brightness bar. You can tap on it and change the brightness, and you also have some advanced brightness settings. You can change minimum physical brightness, change light duration, and make extra dim brighter or dimmer. If you don't like the app, simply go here and disable the service. Once you do that, make sure to lower your brightness a little since it makes normal brightness go higher. As a last resort, check for software updates and settings. Click on your INFINIX Note 60, click Check for Updates, and make sure you're on the latest version to avoid old glitches. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.